today, finally getting the wheels done. These look like absolute trash. So just gonna do a quick paint, make them look a little bit better till we buy new wheels soon. Got the tint done. You can get this thing up on jack stands, get the wheels off, and then give you guys a close-up of like how bad these wheels really are. Focus. All right. So this is all curb rash around everything. Like every wheel, every edge, like every wheel looks like this. And they're all faded right here. So we're just gonna do a simple clean. I think this is actually probably the worst wheel. This one's got a lot of just gashes in it. So we're just gonna go through, I don't even care. Like I'm just gonna hit these with a little Brillo pad and then just throw a quick paint and prime on, just a little combo. Just gonna use these 3M Brillo pads. These were like $4 at Ace. I got 4 of them. And then I'm just gonna use this universal paint and primer combo just because it's got a nice sprayer. This is just a temporary fix. So I'm gonna buy wheels here probably next summer. I just don't wanna buy them right now and throw them on the car because it's still winter. So this is just gonna be a quick fix. I don't wanna put as much time into them as I did on the last wheels. So this is just gonna be a quick couple-hour job. So I'll Brillo them, show you the results after the Brillo pad, and then we'll get them taped up. Here's some movie magic for you. We've got these all hit with the Brillo pad. If you look close, you can see I've hit them all. They're a little bit hazy, so now I'm gonna clean them, hit them with alcohol solution, and then I'm gonna get them taped up and ready to paint. So this is what they're at now, and let's get them taped up. Finally, got all these wheels taped up. They're taped up on the inside too. The easiest way to do this is tape the inside first and then tape the front side, otherwise you're gonna be fighting it. So we've done all that. Now we're gonna lay down some paint and hopefully this works out and they won't be looking like this. Alright, so we're one coat in. You can see, didn't hardly cover very much. I'm just going super light. I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 coats. We're gonna see how the 3rd coat looks. If it doesn't look good, we're gonna do 4th. So yeah, just take your time, do some layers. Now let's wait for this first layer to dry before we start on the next. Just got finished with the paint. Did 2 layers of clear coat. I'm just gonna let these cure overnight. Hopefully they should be dry enough to touch at that point. So, yeah, this color's a lot darker than I thought it was going to actually turn out. So, hopefully, once it dries, it looks decent. And we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. So as you can tell, didn't come out perfect, but it does look so much better than having the scratched up silver wheels.